Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another review. So in today's video we will be talking about brushes. Yes, makeup brushes, because we all know that makeup is incomplete without makeup brushes, without any tools that are used for makeup, because we cannot apply everything directly with our hands. We need brushes for proper application. So if you are into an advanced level or intermediate level makeup, you may be knowing the essential brushes that we need for makeup. But if you are a beginner, so I would like to guide you that which all brushes you should use and which you should have. So I was also looking for some good quality brushes and I found these. This is a combo of brushes, 11 brushes and one beauty blender. So I thought of ordering it and trying out for you all and giving you a review about it. So yes, I ordered it and I received it just a few days back, and I tried some of them so that I could give you a proper review about the quality. So yes, these are the ones I'm talking about. This is a set of 11 makeup brushes. It includes face as well as eye makeup brushes, and that's not it. It also comes with a beauty sponge, and this is how it looks. This is a beauty sponge. This is the size and colors baby pink, very pretty. It's very soft and very good quality. So first we'll talk about it. So this is mainly used for blending your foundation, concealer. So this has to be used damp, like you have to wet it in water, remove the excess water, and then use it to blend your base. So as you can see, my base is always blended very well because I use this like to blend. I had another but it got like dirty, so I switched on to this, and this is very good quality, I must say. Like this itself retails in the market for around, you can say, 100-150. So getting this inside a combo which is costed me all around 250, so that's a great deal, I believe. So like I told you that some brushes are very essential, so we will go through them. In this pack I have got 6 face brushes and 5 eye makeup brushes. So the face brushes are like this: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So let's talk about this. I don't think is much useful. It's kind of useless really. I don't see any point in this, but still I got this as a first brush. Then the second brush I have is this. This is a you can say a small fluffy brush, and the quality of the bristles is very good. Like it's top-notch quality, no compromise in the quality. Like this quality brushes are usually preferred by everyone. So this is how it looks, although a little bit of hairs had come out, but that's not an issue. And the handle looks very quirky and nice, like wooden handle, and the brush looks very elegant. So I'll just place it here so you can see. The size is not very big, like it's the size of my little finger, up till my little finger. So this can be used like to set your under eyes like with powder. So this is very good for that. That's our brush. Next one we have is this. It is kind of similar but a bigger one, like it's fluffier and bigger. So this can be used for contouring. It would sit perfectly here, so this is good for contouring. Then you have this. So this is a flat brush, like it can be used to apply your foundation or conceal over here. So it's very good for applying. It's not for blending, it's for applying. So this also has very soft brushes, and like the quality of the handle, it's very good. It's sturdy, it will not break. Then the next one we have is this small brush. I like these kind of brushes a lot, like they're very easy to hold. So this is can be used for foundation blending, and always remember blending is done like this way, like not like this. So this is good for that. And the quality, and I have used it once and I have washed and kept it, and the hair are extremely soft and dense. So this is our next brush. Then the next one I have is kind of similar to that, but that had a dope top and this has a flat top, as you can see. So this is can also be like used for blush or for blending as well. So you can use brushes according to your like choice, but I use like very minimal brushes when I'm doing my makeup offline. and when for tutorials I need to have certain brushes, so I use them. So this is our next one, and then we have some eye brushes. In this we have 5 eye brushes. So for eye brushes I was expecting a little bit more from this set, like as they showed in the picture, but they nonetheless they have like some good quality brushes. So the first you can say is this brush. It can be used to pat the eyeshadow on the eyes, so this is good for that. Then you have one which is like slightly angled one, so that can be like again used for like blending in the crease or applying in the crease like that. So this is that. Then you have this very much angled like tip. It has a tip, so you can be used as applying eyeliner or like under eyes or for eyebrows. So this is a multi-purpose one, and this also has very good quality like wood, very good quality brush. Then I have this is a small like flat brush, like you can use to like apply to a certain place where you want, like, and for inner corner highlights as well. So this is very good for that. Then you have this brush. It's a slightly different, like you can see it has a tip like this dome shape, and it's very good for like under eye smudging. Like today I applied the eyeshadow and kajal, and I like just blended it with this. It works very great, like it's superb quality. So this was our last brush. So yeah, that's all for the brushes that I got. I thought of reviewing them and just telling you what are they used for basically, because many of the beginners don't know, and if you're a beginner then only you're watching my video for sure, because no intermediate or advanced level person will watch this kind of video. So yeah, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. See you in my next video. Bye.